Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI tools for market trend prediction, full tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the topic of market trend prediction using AI tools. First, identify the problem you want to address in the market. Research the market you're interested in, gathering relevant data and insights. Choose an AI tool that specializes in market trend analysis. Popular options include Google Trends, IBM Watson, and DataRobot. Sign up or log in to your chosen AI platform. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Select the dataset you want to analyze. This could include sales data, social media interactions, or economic indicators. Upload your dataset into the AI tool. Ensure the data is clean and properly formatted for optimal analysis. Once the data is uploaded, choose the type of analysis you wish to conduct. For market trend prediction, look for features like time series forecasting or sentiment analysis. Start the analysis by running the selected model or algorithm. Monitor the progress of the analysis in real time if the option is available. After the analysis is complete, review the generated insights. Pay close attention to trends, patterns, and predictions indicated in the results. Interpret these findings in the context of your initial research and objectives. Take notes on key insights and any actionable recommendations. Consider validating the AI predictions with additional research or expert opinions. Utilize visualizations offered by the platform, such as graphs and charts, to present your findings. Share these visualizations with your team or stakeholders for further discussion. Implement the insights gained from the analysis into your market strategy. Continuously monitor market trends and adjust your strategy as needed based on new data. Regularly revisit the AI tool to stay updated on emerging trends and changes in consumer behavior. Engage with communities or forums related to the AI tool for tips and best practices. As you gain more experience, experiment with combining multiple data sources for improved accuracy. Document your successes and challenges throughout the process for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.